Hey guys, so today we are at Porto Moniz Natural Pools. As you can see behind us, they are a stunning set of naturalized pools, half man-made concrete here on Madeira Island in Portugal.
They have tons of these natural pools around the island, but this is by far the most developed.
Yeah.
They've got stairs going in, they've got a diving board that goes into the ocean, and you have to pay €1.50 for each person to enter.
And it gets pretty busy, as you can see behind us. So if you want to avoid the crowds, probably come here early on a weekday. That's your best bet.
Yeah, we rolled in at 3 p.m. this afternoon and it is packed, but it's still beautiful. It's a hot sunny day, so we kind of expected it to be busy. There seems to be quite a few hotels and restaurants around here. We're not staying here, so we're not 100% sure on that, but the drive is beautiful, the roads are in really good shape, and it's definitely worth making the trip up here for it.
Parking is limited, but there is quite a bit of parking. You just kind of have to take some time to find it, and you don't have to pay for it. So.
Which is nice.
If you're coming to Madeira, we would definitely recommend come check out these natural pools. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, it would mean a lot to us, and share us with your friends.
Yes. We'll see you in the next one.
See you next week.